Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, doing another video today. And yes, today's video, I'm doing this on my Galaxy S9 Plus, shooting this at 4K, 60 frames per second. Y'all let me know how everything looks and how everything sounds. Man, look, slow pan, slow. So far it looks pretty good. One thing I do want to mention is that you can only shoot 60 frames per second in 4K for 5 minutes. So if you're going to do some vlogging or some videos on YouTube, you're going to have to chop and paste. But, you know, hey, why did Samsung do that? I don't know. Somebody should ask them. Show them this video. See why. But let's go into this tree. The focusing on these cameras have been great. I don't know if y'all seen my 1080p 60 frames per second video, but it did really good. Let's see. Let's go into, just look at this tree here. I mean, just look at the detail, look at the colors. Y'all let me know how everything looks. How's the stabilization? Because again, I'm just walking at my famous park. I'm also going to do 30 frames per second. Bam, look at that. I say bam a lot, by the way. Look at the rocks. Let's see, check out the ground. But y'all let me know how everything looks and sounds. Look at the day in Texas. But I'm gonna come back with the 30 frames per second video right now, so just hold on 1 second. Okay everyone, so this is the Galaxy S9 Plus at 4K, 30 frames per second. Y'all let me know how everything looks. How did I sound again? Besides my voice and my cold that I have. It's the worst time to get a cold is during a review season of a phone. But hey, no worries. One thing I noticed is that you can only do 4K at 30 frames per second for 10 minutes. So it still has a time frame, but it's longer than 60. One thing I noticed too, it seems like they're a little jumpy. I don't know, like it's not as smooth as I want it to be. But it could be just me holding it. I don't know. I guess I have to wait until I get onto the computer. But let's check out this tree. Focusing's been pretty good. Haven't had any problems. Man, look at that. Everything looks pretty good. Hopefully I'm not getting anybody sick again. But y'all let me know how everything looks and sounds. Yes, I'm at the park. I say that a lot too, but let's see. Let's go to my famous fence. But look at that. Do y'all see any type of focusing problems? I don't see anything, but look, slow pan again of the park. Let's try something new. Let's zoom in. What y'all think about that? Look, that playground is 4 away. I'm gonna go all the way in. All the way in. 10. It's a little shaky. Come back out. But that park is a good bit away. That playground is a good bit away from me. But, you know, it's just been a quick video test. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think about it and how the stabilization looks. Like I'm walking pretty good at a good pace. But y'all let me know how everything looks and how do I sound. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.